making noise. Oh,
I put it in 4 low.
oh, was that way?
Seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Here you go, buzzard.
Here we go.
Yep.
Black Hills snowstorm.
Yeah. Kind of, sort of.
Furnace stuffed in the back.
Yep. I'm going to go pick it up from the trucker out in town. Pringle.
I had to go to town.
Yeah, stay in the middle of the road. You're scaring me over here by the ditches.
Really? Okay. You want me to go in the ditch?
No, don't.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Seems to be. Coming up the back way from the house. This is from Pringle back to the house. Where the hitch rail is, where it's got good beef. Good meat for dinner. This is, we're really close to Pringle. This is our neighbor Roy. Or is it Roy or Ron? Ron? Ron. I'm not sure what his wife's name is. They got 2 pretty horses too. They're out playing in the snow. They were out playing in the snow, right? Are they still playing in the snow? No. Nope, they're in the wing. So they got a run in.
They did go in.
Yeah.
No,
One went
out.
in. One went in. The other one's probably keeping them from going in. Dummies. That's fun. Almost sounds like rain, don't it?
Yeah, it's frozen mix.
Yeah. It's 28 though. Yeah, sneezing. Oh, excuse me. Buzzard. Yeah, Buzzard. We had a bunch of donkeys running in front of us when we were going out to go pick up our furnace. I don't know if we'll see any on the way back, but there was lots of turkeys in Grace's yard. I don't know if I can turn it real well. Let's see. Of course, I turned it right when into the bushes. I was trying to get the mount. Didn't work.
Coming out of the trees in a second here.
Man, I know. That's what I was trying to get. There we go. Buzzard, Donkeyville. Actually, if I could turn it like that would be the best. Then you can actually see off the road a little bit. Oh, that's all right. I'll just put this back. It's easier. Blows garbage cans over a lot around here. The garbage cans fell over. We had 40-mile-an-hour winds.
When we came down, our tracks are gone already.
Yeah, I know it. Horsies are eating, checking it out. Nice horsies. Arab and a buckskin. They're still looking down the road. Dennis, where are you, Dennis? Is he behind us?
Nope.
Look at Dennis. Where are you? Oh, there's a deer laying down right in the woods. That was like 6 of them laying in the woods right there next to the road. They're not stupid. They're not going to waste any energy. They're going to wait this one out. This was one of the spring snowstorms. Now, mountain lion would be pretty cool to see running across the road. but I usually see them at night. Service. Thinning the trees. Kind of scary going up these hills. We go that way to the left. We're gonna go by Ray and Barb's house, so we don't have to do the big hill. It's not so bad right there, but going up behind Grace's, it's quite steep. He's got all washboard here too, by the look. Unless that's just the shadows of the road. But no, it's all washboard. They cut all the way to there so far. They were cutting yesterday, I heard them. The big mountain in front of us.
Put it in 4 high.
Do you have to put it in neutral? Because I haven't.
Yes. If you're going into 4 low, 4 high.
Huh. I thought it was only on the Jeep.
Nope.
Because I've just pushed it into 4-wheel drive auto.
Yeah, you can
from
do that.
2-wheel drive. Oh.
You can't do the 4 low. You have to stop from 4 low.
Oh, okay.
I hope you haven't tried that. You drop.
I haven't used
drop
4
the whole
low.
thing.
I haven't used 4 low. I've only used 4 high. Cliff and Laura's house. Brown one. Jesse's is up on the hill. The green one. And I bet you that cow's gonna give birth. She's got her tail out. I'll bet you they always do that in the storm. Let me see if her butt's up. Slow down a little bit. Let me see. It's the black one on the other side. She's got looks like she's got muck on the back. I'll have to tell Dennis. I wonder if she gave birth already. I didn't see anything laying in there, did you?
No.
I'll have to tell Dennis the black and white ones looks a little sloppy in the back. He's probably gonna drop that calf in this snowstorm.
Boy, the snow don't stay on the roof. Look.
Well, look at it blowing. Look at the wind we got here. I mean, we got more wind here. It cranks. Not on that side, anyway. Cool house. That is a cool house. Oh, that was all about. Why does it keep doing that? Making the beeping noises. Oh, is it because...
No, tailgate's open.
Oh,